Hello YouTubers, welcome back again. Today we are going to check about delete query. So in my case, I just want to delete my Smith data which is containing 4th ID. So let's just check. Cursor.execute. The rest codes are the same, so that's why I'm not making any changes. Creating connection object and cursor object. I'm just changing the query, SQL query, and rest will be the same. Cursor.execute, and here you have to write your delete query. Delete from your table name. In my case it's user info, and you have to specify your condition, otherwise it will impact your all the records, right? In my case I want to delete ID number 4, so I'm just mentioning here delete from user info where ID equal to 4, so it will delete fourth number ID. And let's just commit our query because I'm changing, right? I'm changing in data. Commit, and then I can print how much records updated or deleted. So in my case it is deleting, so rows deleted. Now let's just execute our file. Okay, one row is deleted. Now let's just check again. To check that, we have to run our SQL query. Select all from user underscore info, and we don't need to commit because we are fetching our data for x in cursor dot fetch all, and let's just print our value x. Then let's just execute file again. Now we can see fourth number ID got deleted. So this is the query when you want to delete a specific data, but if you want to delete all the data, you then, as I already told you, you do not need to mention your condition. So let's just do it again. For example, I want to delete my all the records. So in such situation, I don't need to specify my condition. I need to just do one thing. I need to remove this where condition. That's it. Now let's just execute again. Now we can see 5 rows deleted. Now let's just check again. Select star from user info. Again, just use your for loop for x in cursor dot fetch all. Let's just print our x value and just comment this line. Now let's just execute again. Now we can see we are not getting any output. That means all the records got deleted. So whenever you are working with your delete or update query, make sure if you want to do like if you want to update your or delete your specific data, so you need to specify your unique value, and it's a best practice when you are working with your ID number. So that's it from this video. Thank you so much guys. Please do not forget to like the video and please subscribe the channel. Thank you so much guys.